friends, today stickers time. At the end, after I don't want to say how many years, because perhaps it's not a good thing, more than 50, 25, 75, 50, no, more than 40. I think it's enough. These are the original stickers. I will use them. Quality is superb, and I hope to do a good job. Don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe, please. Leave me alone with my car. These are the tools I generally use to apply stickers. A very good pair of chisels, very good. A blade, no matter if new, because I use just to lift the sticker from the paper and to carry it in position. Sometimes I also use this, that is fantastic, and to finish little parts that are not so easy to cut with scissors. Now we have to decide where from to start. From these, which one? Take a look to the instructions. First of all, the car is the number 5, and we have 1, 2, 3, 5. Perfect. Then we have writings here, these strips, violent, 2 violent just here, 1 here, here another one, okay, and they say just this. Gloss green, gloss orange. You see, this is gloss green. They don't say a special kind of green. Later they had the right green. Well, I think that I will start from the thing that to me is more difficult, that is these stripes. And stripes are made in different pieces. These are for the hood, and here they are not in super good conditions, but I accept this as they are old. I think that I will cut this. This part covers the Porsche emblem and these two that I have just mounted. So I have to take this away, apply the stickers, make the hole, and so on. Let's do it! We have to lift a little piece of the paper in order to attach in one point and lift the other part of the paper and slowly press down on the body. Which part? This corner or this? This corner. I take this way. Ha ha! Done. Now I make the holes, 1 and 2, and this time I think that I will use super glue. Okay, and now here the Porsche emblem that is not in perfect conditions. No, I need another one. I will bring from the other sticker set I have. I show you in the first video. Fantastic. And now the mirror. There's always something between me and the joy of the work. The mirror. Okay. Wonderful. Mirrors. Ah. 1 and 2. And later I will mount them again with super glue, because I have no more, you used to say beef here, plastic to. Okay. You have to cut as near as you can in order not to see the transparent, the glossy part of the sticker. But be careful not to cut the sticker. Like this. And the sticker takes the door closed. Then we have another one here under. Wow, 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 wow. I love it. Come on, come on, come on. All the other. And here it is, the Porsche emblem for the bonnet. It's a little pity to cut this away from this virgin set, but okay. Now we can continue with these. All the stripes are mounted. The gummy part here is mounted too. Now, side mirrors. Then this part of the work is finished. Side mirrors with the super glue, because I have no more the plastic to melt on the other side. Why don't you go inside? This is the hole. Okay, this is looking a little bit more inside. Stickers are very dry, very old, and quite difficult to handle. They lose the color so easily. One and two. Okay. And this is one. Wonderful. Now all these writings and so on. But now I want to take a little break. Next, I have to cut all the stickers around, and this is the way I used to cut them. I don't like the entire strip of transparent, but it's nicer to see it like it's painted. So the work is going on. I am arrived at this, and it's quite a long work. They are a lot, and this is how do I cut them. Now these numbers 5, they are already there. 2 rabbits, shell, Binstein sacks. Unfortunately, somewhere I have to use these because this was seriously damaged here. And okay, no matter, this is the important thing. It's coming out very well. I'm very satisfied. Keep on going. And these are the last stickers I have to apply. It seems the car is quite filled up, but we have also these. Fantastic. And this, I'm not sure, but I like to put it here. Perhaps it's right, but perhaps not. Wrong. Yes, I like it. Finish. This body is super fantastic. It's so happy. And this is it. Wonderful. Fantastic. I love it. Now we can go on. First of all, the pilot with the dashboard, and then refitting all the mechanic parts, starting from tires, wheels, perhaps rims will be painted silver, and then the radio, and that's the challenge. By now, stay calm, don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe, be happy.